Hey, creators! Ever wonder how YouTubers use those cool talking avatars that keep viewers hooked? Today I'll show you how to create your very own viral talking avatar using free AI tools. No crazy animation skills needed. Let's go!
Step 1. Designing your avatar.
First, we need a character for your avatar. We'll use LexicaArt, a free platform with tons of images. Go to LexicaArt, type in your search. Example, young guy character or female cartoon avatar. And choose the one that fits your video's vibe. The great thing about Lexica is that it's completely free and you don't even need to sign up. Once you've found the perfect character, download the image. Now let's grab a background. Search for something like YouTuber bedroom or studio background. You want something colorful and engaging to make your avatar pop. Download the background once you find the right one.
Pick a background with plenty of light and colors to help your avatar stand out visually in your video.
Step 2. Preparing your images.
To animate the avatar, we need to clean up the images. Start by removing the background from your character using Remove.bg. It's super simple. Just upload your image and let Remove.bg do the work. In seconds, you'll have a cutout character ready to go. Download the PNG file. Next, we'll remove the character's mouth so we can animate it later. Go to Photopia, a free Photoshop alternative. Open your cutout character and use the spot healing brush to erase the mouth. This step makes room for the animated mouth later. Save the image as a PNG file to keep the transparency. Now, let's combine everything in Canva. Open a new project with a size of 1200 8x7 on 20 pixels, standard YouTube video size. Upload your background and character, then position your avatar in the scene. Add some fun details like a table microphone or anything that fits your theme.
Pro tip: make your scene more interactive by adding props or elements that relate to your content, e.g. a gaming controller for gaming videos.
Once you're happy with the design, export it as a PNG for high-quality output.
Step 3. Animating your avatar with CapCut.
Now it's time to bring your avatar to life. Download and open CapCut, a free video editor that's perfect for this job. Set your project's aspect ratio to 16:9, YouTube's standard, and drag your edited image onto the timeline. Next, we'll animate the avatar's mouth. If you have a mouth animation with a green screen background, import that into CapCut. Use the chroma key tool to remove the green background. If there's any leftover green, go to the HSL settings and lower the green saturation to 0 for a clean result. Now position the animated mouth over your character's mouth area. Adjust its size and position to match the face perfectly. If you want to spice things up, add some of CapCut's built-in effects like motion blur or text animations to make your video more engaging. Once everything is set, export your animated video in high resolution, and you've got yourself a talking avatar ready for your next video.
Alternative method, using free AI tools.
If you want to skip the manual animation process, here's an easier way using AI tools like ldeogram and Artflow. First, head over to ldeogram or any similar AI art generator. Use the prompt from the video description, e.g., 3D render of anime character. Select the styles like 3D render or anime to create an avatar that's vibrant and expressive. Make sure the face takes up about 1/3 of the image for better animation later. Once you've generated your avatar, download it and move on to Artflow. This is where the magic happens. Upload the avatar to Artflow and it will automatically detect the face for animation. You just have to type in the text you want the avatar to say. Preview the animation, and if you like it, export the video. If your animation has a watermark, don't worry. Go to 123apps.com, upload the video, and use their tool to remove the watermark, all for free. And that's it. You've created a viral talking avatar. If you found this tutorial helpful, hit the like button and subscribe to Profit Bunny for more tips on boosting your content and making money online.